Hey, my friend. So I understand what you want to do is remove this numbers in in your funnel. So there are multiple there are two ways you can do this. If you want to like edit this part of your domain, you can do it from here. Okay, you can just write like thank you one, or put in whatever you want to put in here, and then you scroll down and click on update page, and you will see that this thank you will kind of disappear. So you can either change your path from here, or maybe you have it on the publishing. So this says thank yous 29px, so this is for the publishing. So you can go under publishing and you will see it here. Okay, so you can actually just edit thank you one perhaps, or thank you one two, or thank you friend. Oops, sorry, friend. Right, and then you can click on update funnel step. Alright, so that's how to edit it. You can check your publishing. That's how to edit the URL. You can check on the publishing and you'll be able to change that, or you can also change this stuff here. So let me know if that works for you. But yeah, go ahead and check on publishing and edit it to say what you wanted to say. Alright, bye for now.